Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build a weather app from scratch using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This app will not only show the current weather but also give you a current date. Plus you are going to learn how to fetch real-time data using ApiKey. So it gives also different animated icons depend on the weather. So let's dive in. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to create a basic layout with HTML, use CSS to style the app and fetch real-time weather data using JavaScript. And also I will show you how to get free ApiKey from OpenWeatherMap. I urge you to prepare your API before starting your project, because sometimes it takes up to 1 hour to be activated. There are many free weather APIs available, such as OpenWeatherMap, WeatherStack, and others. For example, in this I will use OpenWeatherMap, and once you type OpenWeatherMap on your browser, this will show up. So you just go in. If you have account, you just sign in here. If you don't have account, you need to create a new account. It's free. You can create. So since I have already account, I just need to log in. Once you create your account and logged in, it will show up like this in your dashboard. Go to your account and my keys. Here by default they will create API for you. If you want, you can use. If not, you can generate a new API from here and name it the name that you want. That is how you can prepare your API before you start coding. And once you have your API, you are set to go. Now I have created a folder called weather app, and this is my main folder that I will work with, and I use a Visual Code Studio. You need to open your folder using a text editor, and now you need to create HTML file. When you type HTML:5 and press tab, you automatically have the basic structure of HTML. So now I choose the title name as weather app. This will show on the browser. And now in order to run live server, that will help you a lot. And instead of refreshing every time you just save, it is automatically will refresh your page. So it is very helpful. I recommend you to use it as well. Here you need to design your user interface, and this is where you decide how your app will look. You need input field for a user to enter their location, for example city, city name, or zip code. And you need a button to fetch the weather, and this button a button with a search icon from Font Awesome to trigger the weather data fetch. And you need also area to display the weather information. And we have weather display. The div contain the display weather information. An icon, we have an icon ID, cloud icon, to visually represent the current weather condition. Heading of the paragraph is to display the city name, temperature, and weather description. And a paragraph ID, current date, will display current date. So that's all we need. That's all we need to display in our app. And then we will go to style it with CSS and use JavaScript to function this information. Weather info. two classes that represent weather info to display. Each div contains an icon and a spam to display a value for humidity and wind speed. Now we are done with almost HTML layout. Remember to link the CSS file and JavaScript as well. Also, I include font awesome link in order to display the icons. I will put this on the description below. It's very important to display the icon, otherwise you can use your own image icon in order to display. Now let's go to CSS file and style our app. Now we need to give life to our app using JavaScript. So we have document get element by ID. This is set to event listener that trigger the function when the element with ID get weather is clicked, and we have location, and location grab the value entered in the input field with the ID location. Nothing is entered. It default to be empty string, and we have this is alert if there's nothing entered in the input field. There will be alert that say that please enter a location. Here we have another variable ApiKey. Use your OpenWeatherMap ApiKey used to authenticate your request, and you need to copy paste. This part is to fetch the current date and format it. It then display this date in element with the ID of current date. This part is fetch weather data, and the fetch API is used to get weather data from OpenWeatherMap as for instance, and if you use type of weather map that you need to use as well. And we have .then and .catch methods handle the response and error respectively, and then we have if, and this if checks are made to ensure that data is complete and available to fetch. With that, we come to conclusion of our video today, and here you have weather app, functional and ready to use. Thank you for watching. To the next video. Happy coding.